morning guys from Mukono. Welcome back to another exciting video. So we can't wait to take you out there to show you how lovely, how beautiful Mukono is. Actually, it's a chilly morning. It rained yesterday at night. Actually, even when we were coming from the border, it was raining heavily. It was really raining heavily. So stay tuned, subscribe, like the video. Welcome to the channel. My name is Harriet. If you're new here, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, of course, you know how we always do. We thank you so much for always dropping. So right now we are catching up with breakfast, then we drop out. Han, say hi to the vlog. Yeah, so guys, that is Han. So we are waiting for Drew, then we shall probably drop out. So come along with us as we're gonna be taking our breakfast. Then we're gonna be showing you different activities that we're gonna be doing today. Yeah, so stay tuned. Love you guys. Catch you later. What's up guys, welcome. Yeah, we are here at Mukono town. Drew, say
yes.
hi.
Hi everyone.
Yeah,
we're in a small town, but the market is busy, bustling, and we're buying a lot of stuff from Uganda.
Yeah, have you ever heard about Mukono town?
No, never. First time.
Yeah, it's your first time.
Yeah.
How's Mukono in general? I can see a lot of people do business here. Yeah, people are looking for money. I can see your shop is already packed. It has everything. Okay, dear. Yeah. So let's just go and grab. I want some water. I'm feeling so thirsty. Feeling so thirsty. I don't know where. I think the shop. Gonna be getting water from here. But where your renzori? At where your renzori five. Give me 5, eh? How are you? How is Mukono? How is the business? The business is fine. I can see you look so beautiful. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm taking some 5 for 5,000. Because I've liked it because people do business. Business is a key. Guys, here in Mukono, everyone is business oriented. Yeah. Say hello to people. Yeah, what's your name? Oh, you have a beautiful smile. Even her, she has a beautiful smile. Beautiful people. Thank you so much. Huh? Yeah, guys, so we are done. Yeah.
People are awesome here.
Yeah. How have you found the market?
The people are really nice, and they're welcoming, and they ask questions, and they smile. Yeah, I think that just says something about Uganda overall. Harriet's capturing all the behind-the-scenes moments while I capture a video from my YouTube channel. Yeah. And yeah, we're having a great time. So.
What would you love to tell my subscribers?
I would love to tell you subscribers that Uganda really is one of the most beautiful countries in Africa. Yeah. The pearl of Africa, amazing people, and I'm just happy to be here. Yeah. And follow Harriet because she's cool. That's what I want to tell them.
Yeah, so guys, actually he's the king of the travelers. I call him the king of the travelers because he has traveled many countries. Oh, actually all the countries in the world.
Oh, no.
Wow, you're so brave. You're a hero. Yeah. I think. Price here in the village, we are doing the cooking here. This is how we cook our traditional food. So we're going to be cooking biryani, that is pilau. Here in Uganda we call it pilau. Yeah. Basically what they do is they burn onions in cooking oil, then after you pour the rice. So we have also taken off the time to move you around the neighborhood, like the village. You know, some of you are watching us from a different part of our country, and basically we want to show you also how villages here look like.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm taking my friend here, Drew, to move him around to.
Yeah, it's very nice, clean, safe. Pretty much as ideal as you could get in the village.
Yeah, guys, so this is basically how Ugandan village look like. Yeah,
nothing bad to say about Uganda. It's just a wonderful place.
Yeah, Uganda is beautiful. So like you see on this other side, so basically first of all, this is matoke.
Oh yeah,
Matoke.
Yeah,
actually, it's not only you who calls matoke plantain. Lots of people, you tell them this is matoke. Yeah. So plantain is sweet. This one is not sweet. This one is kind of sour. You will taste it. Have you ever tasted matoke first of all?
Not yet. No, I'm looking forward to it.
Okay. Yeah, so Mama Uganda is gonna prepare matoke for us. So this is how it is. So here in central Uganda, everyone is a must to have coffee or to plant coffee in their home, because it was an instruction from the king of Buganda.
Like the countryside life, everyone's friendly, and there's a lot of kids here. But they're all really nice.
And how about the environment, like the neighborhood?
It's great. I mean, once again, like coming to countryside is definitely. I'll say I went to Kampala, and I think I always put it in my top 5 craziest traffic cities in the world. Like, maybe it's gotten better, but it couldn't have gotten that much better. So I just think it's cool to kind of get out of the city and experience like rural life, you know? Like look at this. These kids, how they're playing with the jump rope.
So do you know the name of that play?
No.
Actually, we call it Blada.
Blada.
I grew up playing that when I was still young. Fine? You're fine. She's ever smiling. I'm washing my hands using the local. Oh, so you can see, being a child is dramatic. This is the style of Jagat, you know. This is Jagati style. Jagat, you know. Yeah, it's time to feast now. Mama Uganda is there serving food for everybody. Everyone is super excited, you know.
You have another one on the floor? That's one. Daddy. Okay. So when she came there, like,
guys, come, let's enjoy.
Thank you. You're welcome. Pilau. The original pilau comes from Uzbekistan. Did you know that? Biryani, that's from Pakistan.
How was your day today? How did you
find
that day?
Such a great day, especially the night here with the kids in the soccer field. Everyone's super happy. How was your day?
My day was great, super great. I can say I have never met someone who is like you.
Why?
Like in the area of shooting videos, you know, I feel like there's something I have learned great from your side.
I hope
the way you shoot your videos,
We work really hard,
I shoot my videos like 30 minutes, an hour. I feel like boom, I'm complete. But you know, we've been filming for the whole day and
never feel complete. I still feel like there's more shots we can get, but I think we got most of it.
So for me, being a young content creator, I really feel like there's a lot I have to work on my content, and I have learned something
Thank you.
Great from
I
your
appreciate
side.
that.
Yes, we are cool. How did you find the kids, the area, everything?
This is like the friendliest country in Africa. I used to say it was Malawi, but I might say it's now Uganda.
Uganda.
Yeah.
Uganda. Wow.
Your subscribers to follow this channel, subscribe, because Harriet's very friendly. She has a shining personality, and she's gonna make some incredible videos.
Yeah.
So subscribe.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Welcome.
I love that. Yeah, thank you for appreciating.
Of course.
Ciao. Bye guys. Love and kisses.
See you.